Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Take Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the gird lines on your Google Sheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the gird line? You can see this is a blank space, but the cells are present here, so you can just type whatever you just like this. But the gird lines was missing. So you can see if you're just opening a new sheet, you have a gird line, but this two sheet doesn't have a gird line. Why? So because the gird line has been hidden or disabled. So you just want to turn on the gird line first. So how to turn on the gird line? You just need to click on the view section on the top, and now you will see an option called show. Just go inside this, and you can see the gird lines is actually off or turned off. You should turn on it. Just want to click this, which actually create or which unhide the gird lines on your sheet. The same process can be repeated wherever the gird line has been disabled. So if the gird line has been disabled, you just want to enable this by clicking again and again. You can see you can just enable the gird line. This is how you just enable the gird line on your or unhide the gird line on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.